what's going on, guys? It is Soldier Tesla back at you again with another quick accessory video. So this video is going to be on the Tesmanian rear seat mats and trunk mats. I purchased these mats about 3 weeks ago because I noticed the fabric in the back of my Model Y and on the back seats easily attracts dog hair, dirt, and dust. So these mats were created to protect that fabric, and also it just makes it more durable, so that if you're putting in luggage or anything like that, it doesn't cause any damage to the rear of your vehicle. This is just me unboxing them. The mats come in 3 separate sections: a section for the left rear seat and the middle seat, and then a section by itself for the far right seat, and then the large mat for the floor of the trunk. You'll see me here unpackaging them, and then you'll see me install them in the vehicle. I do recommend that you take the 2 back seat mats and place them out in the sun for maybe 10-15 minutes, so the sun allows it to become a little bit softer so it can get the creases out. One cool thing about these mats is that they come with a kind of like Velcro on the back, so it adheres to the fabric on the floor and on the back seats very well, so it prevents from any slipping or sliding. They feel very sturdy, very durable, and if I was to have my dog in the back, I wouldn't be concerned with the dog damaging them or anything like that. And it also, they're there to prevent any damage to the actual vehicle. Yeah, so I like these things. They look good, they're durable, and these are something that I'm going to keep, so I like them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you have a great day. A link to the product and how to purchase will be placed in the description of this video.